We are here for the Total Telecom Network Management Show 2014. I'm joined by Tom Griffin from SevOne. Tom, I understand your company's recently made an acquisition which is important for this area.
Absolutely. So we acquired a technology capability which allows us to collect and analyze log file information. So this is in addition to what we've already been doing around gathering performance metrics from multiple sources, so SNMP, Flow, IPSLA and multiple others. And what the log analytics adds to us is the ability to look at events or occurrences in real time that would typically be captured by logs, but also gives us the ability to capture performance metrics that are encapsulated in log entries. So in the case of mobile operators, for example, it starts to open up the ability to look at maybe aspects of customer behaviour or aspects of transaction type behaviour in addition to infrastructure performance metrics. So it's pretty key.
Okay, and this has implications, particularly for maybe moving to LTE 4G networks for mobile operators.
Absolutely. What we're seeing with the move to LTE is as these networks become all IP, the visibility of performance becomes more and more important. It becomes more difficult to do because you're looking at a shared infrastructure rather than a session-based type network, but also because of the services that the customers, the service providers' customers are consuming, looking at degradation and performance in near real time becomes more and more important. So for example, with video downloads, if you start to get degradation, it's very visible very, very quickly. With email, that's not the case. So the new technologies and new services are driving new requirements around performance monitoring.
And there's some, you're a global company, you've got projects going on all over the world, but anything you can share with us?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we've been working recently with a number of operators, particularly in the mobile space, as they roll out LTE and 4G. So initially what they're doing is they're using SevOne to monitor the capacity and performance of that platform as they go live. So we've worked with a customer in the UK, for example, that went live with their LTE offering in the last couple of weeks. They're using SevOne to monitor initially the performance of that platform, make sure that that customer experience on day one is a good one. But then they're also starting to expand that to gather even more data to give more insight into it could be security events, it could be configuration change events that could potentially be customer impacting. So looking at more and more data, more and more analytics using SevOne as the platform to analyse that.
Okay, well, good luck and thanks for talking to us today.
Thank you. My pleasure.